Hi everyone, this video is on exercise 13F challenge question. So in this video, I'm going to do part E of the first question. And so in previous parts, we had the function f of x, which is x times 3 minus x. We found the area bounded between the curve and the x-axis. And then in the subsequent parts, we then looked at some transformations of f of x and then found the area. And in this one, this video, we want to do the last transformation. So that's y is equal to f times f of ax. So as we saw earlier, f of x is equal to x times 3 minus x. And in this case, let's first find f of ax. So we want to substitute ax into the function. So we have ax times 3 minus ax. And now remember that this is going to be quadratic, so we can solve this, right? Because we want to know what are the roots. So we want to know what are the roots when f of ax is equal to 0. So that means ax times 3 minus ax is equal to 0. So either x is equal to 0 or 3 minus ax is equal to 0. So 3 is equal to ax, which means 3 over a is the other solution. Okay, so that means when we want to integrate, so in order to integrate f of ax dx, the limits are 0 and 3 minus a. So because those are just the parts that the curve passes through the x-axis. And at this point, we just need to rewrite ax times 3 minus ax here instead of f of ax, but it's better to expand this, obviously. So we'll have this integral. So inside, ax times 3 is 3ax, and then ax times minus ax is just minus x squared dx. And at this point, it's just a simple integration. So remember, a is just a constant. So the variable is x. So the first term, which is 3ax, becomes 3a over 2x squared. And second term, which is x squared, becomes minus a squared over 3x cubed. And the bounds are, or the limits are 3 over a and x. Okay, at this point, we just need to substitute. So we substitute 3 over a into x, and we subtract 0 substituted into x, which basically gives us 0. And after finding and just solving that, we'll get 9 over 2a, which is equal to the new area. So it just simply means that, again, these are some results that you don't need to memorize them, but it's just good that to understand what do they mean. So if you have a translation, which is a stretch in the x-axis, so in that case, the integral is simply equal to not basically just the original value of f of x when you integrate f of x, but also that is being multiplied by a in the denominator. So that's kind of the meaning of that. A is just, again, the value that you use for stretch, the constant for stretching.